What is the machined casting process? The process to cut or remove material from a casting part in order to make the dimensions of the part more accurate is called the machined casting process. Machining after casting also helps to remove an unnecessary portion from a casting part. It is hard to maintain proper tolerance in a complex casting part, and machining castings can help to maintain this. This process is carried out right after heat treatment, but before surface finishing such as painting or anodizing. Modern technology uses computer numerical control or CNC machining for castings. Machined casting processes are of various types such as drilling. This type of machining after casting is done to cut holes in a casting part using the drill bit. The primary machine for drilling is the drill press, but lathe machines and milling machines are also capable of drilling. Milling. The milling process consists of four things such as milling machine, cutter, fixture, and workpiece. This is also a cutting process where the cutter on the milling machines rotates to remove unnecessary portions from the workpiece. The workpiece is fixed on the fixture. Turning. The main difference between turning and milling is that in turning, the workpiece rotates and the cutter remains still. The primary machine for turning is the lathe machine. This process helps in machining castings from inside and outside. Others. Aside from the three primary machining processes mentioned above, there are other machined casting processes such as broaching, grinding, boring, etc. Boring is the process of enlarging an existing hole in a part. The broaching process uses a cutting tool that has teeth to cut different shapes out from a part. But grinding uses the grinding wheel as the cutting tool, which has small abrasive particles that help to cut. Sunrise Metal's CNC Precision Machining Service. Sunrise Metal is one of China's top aluminum and zinc die casting manufacturing service providers. In addition to casting, we also provide prototyping, tooling, machining, and surface finishing services. We use the most advanced technology for die casting manufacturing. Our CNC machining service runs with the best technology and a decade-long experienced engineers and workers. We offer the best cost-saving and technical machining, design, and manufacturing suggestions you can ask for. Here is a list of our CNC machining capabilities. Our CNC milling shop contains Haas 5-axis and Mazik 7-axis CNC machines, which are highly precise. These machines are capable of providing tolerance up to 0005. We have rapid CNC fixture technology that ensures faster machining and on-time delivery for our clients. Our machining service is not only for casting parts, but also for many kinds of plastics and stainless steel parts. From advanced CNC lathes and EDM machines to surface grinders and wire cutting machines, we have everything you need for machining in our machine shop. The machined casting process is not the final task for a casting part. Surface finishing is also an important part of casting manufacturing. Keeping that in mind, we provide surface finishing services like anodizing, powder coating, chrome plating, wet painting, etc. So you can see that Sunrise Metal provides the complete solution to die casting manufacturing. We provide services in China and also internationally. Contact us to have the best die casting manufacturing service from China. Is it always necessary to machine a part after casting? There are various types of castings such as sand casting, vestment casting, die casting, gravity casting, squeeze casting, etc. Every casting part made by either of these processes has some extra portion attached to them because of the gates, risers, sprue holes, etc. So it is always necessary to machine a part after casting in order to get rid of these extra portions. A casting part is always incomplete without machining. This is why different types of casting parts have different machining allowances. What are the benefits of machining after casting? Machined casting parts have a lot of benefits to offer. For example, making parts precise. The usual casting processes such as die casting and sand casting alone are not good enough to make precise parts. No matter how well the casting environment and setup are, there will always be some extra material attached to the part. Manufacturers can make a part more precise and get rid of the extra metals by machining. Making complex parts. Some parts have complex designs, and it is impossible to make molds that can replicate the design. In this case, machining helps to achieve complex shapes. For example, many casting parts have holes in complicated portions. Drilling or boring are the only options to get these holes. Reducing costs. CNC machining is an automatic process. With proper commands in the computer, a CNC machine can automatically perform machining on parts without the help of any labor. Also, this is a very fast process that reduces the production time. Moreover, it makes all the products identical. Combining all these facts results in low production costs. Hence, modern CNC machining is capable of reducing cost. How is machined casting better than only casting or machining? Any form of casting technology has high production efficiency. A huge quantity of parts can be manufactured at a fairly short time at minimum cost. However, only casting alone can't provide the desired accuracy and finishing required for a part. A raw casting will have excess metal attached to the body. Moreover, sometimes flash may form along the parting line. So, additional post-processing by means of sawing, trimming, or machining is required. On the other hand, manufacturing by CNC machining can provide extremely accurate parts. However, CNC machining is a very time-consuming and costly process. Thus, machining is not suitable for the mass production of parts. However, the machined casting process combines the benefits of both casting and CNC machining. By machining castings, manufacturers can enjoy the benefits of high speed and economy of die casting, and also the high precision of CNC machining. What are the limitations of machined casting? Some machined casting limitations are: only trained professionals can handle, control, and operate the machines. There is a cost of maintaining the machines regularly. CNC drilling, milling, turning, etc. machines are expensive to purchase and set up. Though there are some initial and regular costs to set up and maintain the machines, it certainly saves the overall production time and cost in the long run.